video I will demonstrate how to patch the crotch of jeans. To make the patch, you have to draw the pattern first and then cut it out. Place it over some folded fabric and cut it using the help of pins to keep it in place. Then unfold the piece of fabric you just cut and stitch it with the Op-Lock machine to make it smoother. Now that you have the patch, stitch it over the crotch while keeping it centered. Stitch it all around and then flip the trousers the other way and stitch them as shown here. It is important to use the thread with the lightest color of the jeans so it won't stand out. Finally, stitch the edges of the patch and iron the trousers to improve the presentation and performance.
If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.